Welcome, everyone, to an important journey shedding light on the critical issue of deforestation and habitat loss. We will explore the devastating impacts, causes, and potential solutions to this pressing environmental concern. Our world's forests are under threat like never before. Deforestation, the permanent removal of trees and vegetation, is causing widespread habitat loss and ecological imbalance. Today, we dive deep into this issue to understand its far-reaching consequences. The primary driver behind deforestation is the conversion of forests into agricultural land, primarily for the production of commodities like palm oil, soy, and cattle. This massive clearing disrupts delicate ecosystems, leading to the loss of biodiversity and displacing countless animal and plant species. Local community member. Our community has witnessed firsthand the devastating effects of deforestation. Our once thriving forests have been reduced to barren landscapes, disrupting our way of life and affecting our access to clean water, food sources, and cultural heritage. Conservation expert. Forests act as vital carbon sinks, absorbing and storing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Deforestation not only releases this stored carbon, contributing to climate change, but also disrupts the natural balance of rainfall patterns, leading to droughts and other extreme weather events. However, it's not all bleak. Across the globe, individuals, communities, and organizations are coming together to combat deforestation. Reforestation projects, sustainable land management practices, and empowering local communities are some of the ways we can restore our forests and protect vital habitats. Let me take you to a remarkable example of a restored forest, where community efforts and conservation initiatives have brought back the once lost biodiversity, improved water quality, and provided sustainable livelihoods. It's a testament to the power of collective action and the hope for a greener future. Deforestation and habitat loss require urgent attention and action from all of us. By supporting sustainable practices, demanding responsibly sourced products, and raising awareness, we can contribute to the preservation of our planet's invaluable forests and the protection of countless species that call them home. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand the gravity of deforestation. Let's stand together in safeguarding our forests, nurturing biodiversity, and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come.